Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Stitching is Elementary. My name is Carol Lee and this is like a floss tooth extra today. I have some unboxing videos which I don't normally do, or if I do them like in my other video. But I had 3 coming this month and I thought it'd be fun to open all 3 together. And I was just waiting for the last one to come and it came. So I have the Cupid box, my regular monthly Sew Sampler box, and then my Flamingo Toes needle minder of the month box. So I always get these 2, and then this is just extra this month. And I purchased these myself. So anyway, so I've been waiting and I'm really dying to open the Valentine's Day one. So I was hoping that this one was going to come, and it came today. I almost just did it with the other 2, and then I saw it was shipping, and so I was like, well, let me just wait. So I know there's been videos out on the Cupid box already, but I'll show you. So I have not opened these at all. So what should we open first? Well, let's go smallest to largest. So we'll start with the needle minder of the month. So this is by Flamingo Toes. And every month you get a needle minder, a little pattern, and the floss to do it. I love Flamingo Toes needle minders. So it comes in this cute little, here's the thing, cute little pink box with this stuff that drives me crazy. Okay. Oh, interesting colors. Okay, so here's how it looks when you open it. Not the colors I would have thought for January. Oh, maybe it's snowman-y, actually. That could be snowman. Oh my gosh. The needle minder. It's a penguin. He is so cute. Oh my goodness. Look at him in that little sweater. Oh my gosh, he's adorable. Oh, so cute. So then the pattern always goes like with the needle minder. So it's the same thing. Isn't he adorable? He'd be a cute little pillow. So you get the floss, the pattern, and the needle minder. Adorable, right? Yeah, I think these are really fun to do. I love needle minders. As a collection. I use them too because I use a hoop, but I don't need nearly as many as I have. But I think they're fun. And to me, Flamingo Toes needle minders and Caterpillar Cross Stitch are the best needle minders that I've tried, at least. Okay, so then let's do, and this, I got mine through the Fat Quarter Shop, but I think a lot of different quilt shops, I think even my local quilt shop did it, which I didn't know till I'd already subscribed to theirs. But so I think a lot of different shops did it. And I don't know, I assume you can still sign up for it. Okay, so now my Sew Sampler. So this is the January Sew Sampler box. So when you open it, looks like that. They always put this in, and on the other side will be some kind of a coupon code. Oh, blue skies. That's exciting. Bows, bubbles, and blue skies. That's right up my alley. All right, so they talk about 2 different quilt-alongs here, and then they give you a coupon code. Oh, this coupon code's off of batting, so you get 20% off of batting. And then it always comes with this insert that tell you about everything that is in the box, because sometimes, like, I don't know what the thing in the box is. So that's nice. One thing I saw today is Friday, January 23rd. It's right after school, around 4:30. Oh, some kind of a template. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, yay. Okay. Junior blueprint jelly roll. And some batting squares. And buttons and bows quilt pattern. Okay, cute. This one's, oh yeah, look at that. I have not gotten, I wanted a Fat Quarter bundle of this, but I haven't done. I may just do a layer cake. But pretty. Oh, I love this line. I love blueprint. Anything with blues. And then we got a little Riley Blake confetti cotton threads. Oh, so maybe they are making threads now. This is in cloud. Yeah. There we go. And then I'm not sure what this, if we will use this for the quilt, but it's a 8x8 pack of square batting, which these would be great for cross stitch finishing. So that's really cool. And then this little template. It is the Quilt As You Go table topper. Oh, maybe that's what the batting is for. Template. And that's, I guess, what it looks like. There's the template. So I'll have to figure out how you use that. Oh, so there's two different kinds. There's the Big Birdie and Big Bubble. This is the Big Bubble one. Or this is a little bubble. So there's a bigger one as well. Let me open it and see what it says on it. So it shows you on the back there. There's two different ones, but I think those are bigger than this one. This is like a mini one. Yeah, I don't know. It doesn't say. Let's see what the description says. Quilt in a fresh, playful way with the little bubble quilt as you go template from Fat Quarter Shop. This clever tool creates cheerful bubble shapes with the look of a curved piecing, all without extra steps or stress. Designed for easy quilt as you go sewing, it pairs perfectly with charm packs and batting squares for smooth, satisfying process. It is lighthearted, low-fuss approach to quilting that keeps things fun and floating along. Okay, so I still don't totally understand what it is, but I mean, I guess you make that with it. But it looks like this one is smaller, I think. Because it says this is little bubble, and on the back it says that's a big bubble, and that's the Big Birdie. So I guess that's what you make from it. But this might be good for making like a table runner. Yeah, okay. And then this really pretty pattern. Buttons and bows quilt pattern, which you can use the layer cake for that. Excuse my dog. And so you have the layer cake, and then you'll need a 7/8 yard of background, 1 3/8 yard for sashing and border, and 5/8 yard for binding, and 3 yards for backing. So that is it. Well, oh, sorry, one more thing. The flowering block, which I'm going to do these, but I have not started yet. Trying to get that other quilt. I started a king size quilt, a really easy one. If you watched in my last update, I did a quilting part at the end, and I talked about it. But yeah. And so for these ones, I was going to use all my So Quilty Life fabric, just all the different stuff I have. So that's my plan for that. So it is Friday, January 23rd. I live in Atlanta area, and a winter storm is threatening. So we are hoping that we might get Monday off. But I'm afraid if we do, it's going to be without power, which means I can't sew anyway. Because it's an ice storm is what's threatening. So we shall see about that. I mean, I can cross stitch still. I have to make sure I charge all my lights up. But I would not be able to sew. So we'll see. But tomorrow's supposed to be still nice. So I can hopefully get a lot of that quilt done. So I started the Fat Quarter Flirt from Lori Holt. That quilted a king size. I cut it out last weekend, and I've been just kind of putting the different fabrics together the way I need to, and then I'm going to start sewing it this weekend. So, okay, now we have the Cupid box. So I'm sure you know, but Fat Quarter Shop does holiday boxes. So I did not get the Christmas one. I can't remember if I got the spooky box this year or not. But sometimes I get them, sometimes I don't, because I don't always totally love everything that's in them. But I was just in the mood for Valentine's Day this year, so I got that one. Let's see if I think it's worth it. I mean, what they give you is always worth it. It's not always something I'm going to make. But let us see. Ooh, it does look pretty. Okay, so you get the same kind of I love how they put that top cover on it, so it's still like a surprise. I don't know if you get a coupon on this one. Let's see. Yeah. Get 1 free Fat Quarter shop exclusive. Oh, if you purchase so much, you get a free elf cutter, the coral color one. Okay. All right, so it comes also with the little thing that describes everything. Information card, information leaflet. Ooh, that looks cute. This looks really cute. Okay, so this is super cool. T-Rose Quick Press Roller. And I do use my other roller. I have the blue one. I love this handle, though. It's much bigger and thicker. So this was worth it right here for me. I love that. That's so cool. Especially if I ever have to press open seams. I find this very helpful for that. Ooh, and look at the, okay, well, I'll show you the little things first. Okay, yeah, I'll show that last. So then we got the heart pins, Bowen 30 heart pins. Cute. Can make a little Valentine's Day pin cushion and keep those in there for decoration. I probably wouldn't use these for actual sewing because I use my neighbor kids are outside playing out front. We live in a cul-de-sac, and on either side of us are little kids. Okay, so sorry if you heard that. And then Cute Cuts, a pink. Is there a name to it? What size is it? Let me see. Cute Cuts, 6.5 inch trim it ruler, but it's in like Valentine's Day colors. That is super cute and very useful. All right, I love it. I love it. And then we got a little fat quarter bundle of So in Love, which I've been looking at this line. I do want it. So that's exciting. That should be enough for me now. I can take it off my list. I don't have to worry about buying it. And this pattern, Full Hearts Table Runner pattern. That is super cute too. Okay, so I've made one other pattern out of all my Sew Sampler boxes. There was a patriotic, I can't remember if it was a table runner or if I made it into a square. Anyway, with the Minnick and Simpson fabrics, I made it and I love it. And that was a pattern from here, but I've never made another one. I love this one too. I love how it's the hearts and the hugs, like. Isn't that cute? Hugs and kisses and the hearts. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. So what else do you need? So you need this. Sorry. This and 1 3/8 yards background sashing and border and a 1/2 yard binding, so I can get that from my quilt shop. Let me open this up and show you what the fabrics look like. Oh, they have a gingham. I am a sucker for a gingham, especially on binding. I love it. Okay, so here's how they come. I guess I'll untie it. I keep these ribbons and use them for various things. So yeah, these are nice. I just kind of put them in a jar and use them. Okay, so first we have this pretty main floral. That one's in like a blush color, I think it's called, because I actually looked at this. I had some in my cart. And then this one a pink. So they're the main floral, but they're different colorways. Yeah, so they're same fabric, just this one has a little darker pink than that one. And then this one with the sewing notions on it. Isn't that adorable? So cute. Pretty red. A little, was it tulips? Little roses now. Rosebuds. Just a swirly heart. Another swirly heart in pink and red, or a dark pink and pink. Yeah, it almost looks like a dark pink. Cute little, I don't know what you call those. Hearts? I mean hearts, but I don't know what the pattern is, like striped hearts. Oh, these look like little button hearts. Yeah, more of that. And then a gingham. Cute, cute, cute. All right, I'm totally making that table runner for my hallway. What's the size of it? Let me look. Because I have this little front entryway table that I like to always have a little holiday thing on. 22.5 by 62.5. I'll have to see it's the right size. I might have to. Definitely we'll probably have to make it shorter, so we'll have to see. But you could also make this, if you like, I'm thinking for my dining or for my kitchen table, which is round, I usually make like a 36 or 40 something inch square. So you could make 2 of these and 2 of these and put it together with a border on it as a square too. So I don't need more fabric, but so we will have to see. All right, so that is all I have for today. So I hope you enjoyed that. I don't normally do unboxing videos, but I thought since I'm getting all these, it would be fun to do. Yeah. So anyway, I will be back this weekend probably for a floss tube update. And other than that, I'll see you later. Bye.